We're now in a situation here in Northern California where several large wildfires have combined into one monster, and it's already turned deadly as it's burned one city down to the ground. Backfires and uncontrolled flames are marching through Lake Oroville in the western foothills of the Sierra Nevada. This is what's left of Berry Creek. Everywhere you look, homes and businesses are gone in what's now known as the North Complex Fire.
It's with great sadness that we have to report an additional 7 deceased individuals were located by our deputies and detectives today. That brings the total number to 10.
The fire tore through Berry Creek Elementary School, leaving ghostly shells of children's desks, school books reduced to ashes, and the lunch tables liquefied in this intense heat.
The flames were getting a little bit closer. We decided we were just going to play it safe rather than sorry.
Many people who escaped the disaster ended up in this fairground or in Red Cross hotel rooms. Linda Kennedy lives near the southern edge of the fire line, not far from where the Oroville Dam threatened to burst in 2017, and the deadliest fire in California history swept through the town of Paradise the very next year.
There are people living back there. There are businesses opening up. People are trying to get their lives back together.
But this could move that way again.
It's possible. We're hopeful that it's not.
And this is all in the middle of a pandemic, too.
Right. Adds insult to injury, for sure. I mean, Oroville is like one thing after another.
In Berry Creek, there are some motorcycles that survived and a few houses here and there.
Kids are convinced that grandma was here protecting it, but you have to have your own theory on that. It's a decent theory, I guess, as good as any, because how else do you explain this, right?
But everything else around Rich DeLobby is gone. Back at the evacuee camp, Chef Elsa Corrigan is cooking up hope every night in her World Central Kitchen food truck. And what do you get out of this?
I feel better about how the world is, and I get to feel like I'm doing something to contribute.
Firefighters are expecting the winds to die down in the next few days. That gives them an opportunity to get out ahead of it before it hits any more occupied communities like this one. In Berry Creek, California, Dave Malkoff, The Weather Channel.